Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hoping everybody is doing absolutely fine and fantastic in your life. If you ask about me, I'm also doing absolutely fine. And before I start this video, I would like to introduce myself. I am Banu Prasad. I have completed my graduation recently and I run YouTube channel. Not only a YouTube channel but also I take spoken English classes every single day through Zoom application. If you are the person who want to flourish your communication skills, who want to develop your speaking ability skills, just approach me through email. I have given my email ID and also every social media link of mine in the description of my channel. Just go and just check out there. You will get it and then approach me through email ID, right? And if you are someone who has started following my channel very first time, please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel because your one like is really giving me a lot of confidence to shoot more and more videos, guys. Yes guys, again I came to my field, so you can see the background, how greenery, and I surrounded by lush greenery and everything, and also mountains, guys, you can see. And also here is a hibiscus plant, so the flowers are blooming, right? Yes, so how beautiful and how greenery the place and the location could be, right? Yes, because I come here and I shoot videos every single day, I get more confidence, I feel more comfortable shooting videos here, and I love this place the most in my village because this is the plant, whatever the coconut tree which you are looking behind me, it has been planted by me. So now it has completely grown up. So whenever I feel come here, whenever I see this coconut tree, so I feel very happy. And also it makes me think that okay, I should plan more and more. So very soon my birthday is around the corner, so I am deciding actually I just want to plant some more plants here itself on account of my birthday. Okay, no matter, so whatever happens, it will happen. Yeah, in this video, without wasting our time, let's jump into today's video. In this video I am just going to share how I practice my speaking English every single day without surrounded by English people, without surrounded by English environment. So how I practice, how I take actions, and how I implement, how I learn new vocabulary every single day, and how I start implementing those in my real life, and who do I speak English every single day. So everything I'm going to share in this video, right? Yes guys, so it is the biggest barrier of every English learner to speak in English without having proper guidance, without having proper environment, without having proper knowledge about this English language, right? So what exactly I do every single day? Actually, learning English is my cup of tea. And learning English is my passion because I know the significance and I know the importance of this language skills. I know the importance of this English language. I always keep telling myself that okay, if I speak perfect English, if I speak fluent English, if I speak confident English, I may get a lot of opportunities in the future. So every single day, as soon as I wake up, I only keep telling these kind of things in my mind. And you know how exactly I start my day. Whenever I do any work, so I just put headphones, earphones, and I start listening to something in English like podcast, some music, or else some English songs, or else some web series which I follow every single day, or else some other YouTube channels which I fascinate to love watching all those YouTube channels, because you know consuming is very important. So the first thing which I do every single day, I consume lot of English. And also while I was coming across any new phrases, any new sentences, or else any new words which I have not known earlier, so if I don't carry book at that moment, what I used to do, you know, so whatever the new phrases, whatever the new sentences, whatever the new words they were displaying on the screen, I take screenshots of those. You know what I used to do later? So after taking screenshots, so later I write it in a book, and after then I figure out the meanings and I figure out the lot of examples, and I try to use as many as sentences by using those vocabulary, by using those sentences in my real life. Because you know, application is very important. Practical application is very important, you know. So comparing to theoretical knowledge, when you start applying something in a practical way, it is going to remember you forever. So in my opinion, I consider that, so whatever the things I learn every single day from different channels, from different resources or books or some other people, I try to implement, I try to take action on them every single day. So that is the first step every single day I do. And later what I exactly do, you know, I find out the speaking partners for me. I know it is a very difficult for me to find a speaking partner and to ask somebody to speak in English with me, right? So what I exactly do, you know, I try to speak to myself a lot. For example, if I start reading a book, I know I love reading books every single day. If I start reading book, so what I used to do, you know, I read it aloud. Because, you know, when you start reading something aloud, so your echo will be there and you are going to remember what exactly you are doing, because your muscles will be under training of speaking in English. And if you do that thoroughly, if you do that repeatedly, if you do that continuously, if you do that consistently, your muscles are going to get used to speak in English every single day, right? So that is the second thing which I do every single time. So whatever I read, whatever I write, whatever I speak, I always repeat. I always repeat at least for 5 times, because, you know, repetition is very important. Because I never think that, okay, so I am repeating as many as times I can. Am I wasting my time? Even I ask these kind of questions to myself. But again, I remind myself that, okay, I'm not at all wasting my time. Whatever the efforts I'm putting, so no matter how many times I repeat the same sentence, no matter how many times I repeat the same particular word, it is going to help me in the future. I may not get confused in the future. I may not get perplexed. I may not get fumble. You know, I may not worry in the future for not getting particular words on time whenever I want to speak in English, right? So that is why I always repeat as many times as I can whenever I watch something, whenever I listen something, whenever I write something, or else whenever I read something. So this is the second thing which I do every single day. And third thing is speaking, guys. Yes, speaking is very, very, very important in our aspect, right? Because as an English learner, everybody is seeking, everybody wants to speak English fluently. Everybody wants to speak English confidently and effectively. So that is the thing we have to do most. So for speaking, we have to give more amount of time than listening, reading, writing. So what exactly I do, how exactly I speak, and on what topics should I speak every single day. I'm just sharing in a simple way that, for example, if I go some place, so I see some random things, I see some random objects. Immediately, you know, so my brain says that, okay, Banu, it's time for speaking on some random topics. So that is how you will get to know new vocabulary. That is how you will get to know new sentences. Okay, how should we deliver and how should we speak on some random topics, right? And also, you know, whenever I walk alone, whenever I sit idle at my hometown, so I simply remember the best memories, the best things which had happened in my life, and I cherish those. And I started speaking on that particular topics also, you know, because during my college days, so I spent a lot of time with my friends, right? So sometimes, you know, I went back and I remember those days and I reflect to those memories and I started speaking on those topics also. Because, you know, so whatever, no matter what you have to speak, whether it is right, whether it is wrong, it doesn't matter. So all the thing is matter is, are you speaking at least for 5 to 10 minutes or not? Are you at least spending learning English every single day or not? Are you at least giving some good amount of time for learning English or not? So that is very, very, very important, you know. See, whenever you start speaking something in English in front of somebody, so nobody checks your grammatical correction. Nobody checks your grammatical mistakes, and nobody checks how much you are speaking. So everybody only sees how confidently are you speaking and how effortlessly you are speaking in English or not. So that is only going to matter at the end of the day, right? So this is how I practice my English every single day, and this is how I learn English, and this is how I grab vocabulary from different sources, and this is how I build up myself by using different sentences in my daily life. So this is how, guys, see, I am only just telling here that nobody asks you to speak English every single day. Nobody asks you to take one step forward and just go out and just step out and just feel confident and just be confident. Nobody is going to say all these things. So it is the only thing you have to learn by yourself, and you have to come out of your comfort zone and you have to speak out at least for 5 to 10 minutes, guys. 5 to 10 minutes is not a matter for you, right? Because whatever the time you are investing, so you need to focus on yourself more, improving your English, improving your speaking abilities, and improving on developing your confidence and everything, right? So this is how I exactly practice every single day. So based on my personal experience, I have shared everything in today's video. Just keep practicing every single day. Just take stand for yourself and just uplift yourself and upgrade your confidence skills every single day, right? Yeah, this is what all I wanted to convey in today's video. Hope you guys really enjoy watching this video, and if you guys really like my video, please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you with one more beautiful content in next video. Till then, you guys keep watching, keep learning and keep encouraging yourself. Take care. Love you all for supporting me the most. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.